Right, it's day 6 of the lockdown and I want to start this video with a very short story. So I read this book, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, and it states in this book, if you want to have a goal, you have to say that goal every day when you wake up, when you go to sleep, wherever you go, you have to write it on a paper and you have to say it out loud. And my goal is to have 1,000 subscribers on YouTube by the end of this year. Right now I'm on 452 subs and I gained 23 subs in the last 28 days. If that goes on like it's going on right now, I'm not going to make it 1,000 subs at the end of the year. But the big change is that I'm really passionate about YouTube right now. Like the last couple of months, I really have a mindset. Like I wanna get this. I'm going to make it. I'm going to have that 1,000 subscribers, and I think I will one day. And I hope at the end of the year 2020 I will have them, that amount of subscribers. But still, the most important thing for me is to enjoy making videos, and that is the factor why I'm still making videos, because I enjoy making these. So with 1,000 subscribers also comes monetization. If you also have the watch hours, and you can see that very easily in your channel monetization tab on your analytics. Grow with YouTube. As a YouTube partner, you'll be eligible to earn money from your videos, get creator support and more. Right now I have 451 subscribers, I need 1,000, and I have 835 public watch hours and I need 4,000. So I'm not halfway. On both, I'm not halfway, but I'll get there. Today is the 24th of March, 12 a.m., 12 p.m. at noon. I don't know, a.m. or p.m., I don't care. But if you see this in a second video, it's going to be the second video where I'll say I'm monetized right now. So I'll need a lot more watch hours. That means making more videos that are great, that generate views and subscribers of course as well, but that comes together with generating views and good videos. Good videos, very important, making good videos. So, but I can already do something, and that's making an AdSense account. So I need to have all these guidelines, the minimum eligibility requirements to join. 4,000 watch hours, I don't have. 1,000 subscribers, I don't have. I'm in a country where it's possible. I'm in Belgium, so it should be possible. And I need an AdSense account, which I don't have. So that AdSense account I'm going to make right now. We're going to go through the steps together with you so you know what you have to do. So this is mainly used for websites. I'm going to use this for YouTube. Let's see if that actually works, because that will be the most important part of this video.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, मैं हूं तनवीर असगर और आप देख रहे हैं टेक्निकल तनवीर असगर यूट्यूब चैनल। दोस्तों आज की इस वीडियो में हम यूट्यूब की नई सेटिंग।
Okay, I learned something today. This video will be a fail because I can't make an AdSense account when I don't meet the requirements. That's something new probably, because I've actually had to search for this and someone says it here. As you can see, he got the option to go through the entire form only after he met his terms of monetization. I haven't met my terms of monetization. So what happens if I click the AdSense, fill in everything like this, continue in YouTube, and then I go to the help page? So that doesn't work. I'm going to have to wait until I'm really eligible to do this. So sorry for this video, really failed, but it's a video which will remind me probably to keep up the grind and get there at the end of the year. This has to be one of my most stupid videos I've made, I think. So I would say if you still have a question about this, let me know. But as you can see, I can't make an AdSense account until I'm eligible. So yeah, that's that. This was the video, and I hope I'll make a better video tomorrow. I'll see you for that one tomorrow.